Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. So today we're going to look at how to schedule a post on LinkedIn. So if you're looking for a job or looking to connect with other people in your industry, posting regularly is a good idea to show people you know what you're talking about. And scheduling is a good idea because it allows you to put out posts even when you're not at your laptop. So I'll show you how to do that. So to start with, just click on Start a Post. Then we're going to type in the text for our post. So I'll say this is a scheduled post. And you can add in like media, photos, different things to your scheduled post. When you're happy with that, instead of just posting right away, I'm going to click on the little clock, which is where you schedule for later. So for LinkedIn, it's a good idea to post when people are maybe going to be looking at LinkedIn. So that might be before work, at lunchtime, or after work. So say I want to schedule this for the evening, so when people have finished work. So then I'm going to click on next, and when I'm happy with my post, I can click on schedule. So say if you've suddenly thought, oh, I should have put something into that scheduled post, or you want to delete it, it's really easy to do. Just click on the start a post section again, and we go down to the schedule for later button. Click on that. Then you can view your scheduled posts. So by clicking on the three dots, we have different options. You can either post it now, modify the schedule, edit it, or delete it. So I'm going to delete it. So I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.